Hey guys, Leanne here on Grady's Mom. It is actually a Monday, even though you guys are seeing this on Friday. I did go to Walmart and grab some things that I had on a running list and some things that I had coupons for. The reason I went so early in the week is because tomorrow and Wednesday, Tuesday and Wednesday, we're supposed to get another winter storm here, and they're calling for like over a foot and then freezing rain. And then Grady has off Friday. Because he starts winter break, so he'll be off for a couple weeks. So because of the fact that Tuesday and Wednesday I probably wouldn't be able to go out and get this stuff, I decided to go Monday. There may or may not be another haul after this. It all depends on the weather and if I can get out. But all of this stuff here was $70, again from Walmart. I grabbed a dozen brown eggs. They were 90 cents a dozen, the Great Value brand. I also grabbed some Great Value diced chilies for Mexican pizza. I like to keep a couple cans of soup in the house for my husband because he likes a can of this Campbell's soup every once in a while, like on a weekend when we're home. So I got him the Manhattan clam chowder and then the Wicked chicken Thai style rice and veggies. These are two of his favorites. He also likes the sausage gumbo one. So again, on the weekend, sometimes I'll make him a can of this and then like a grilled cheese sandwich. And again, those are the chilies. I also got some Walmart brand Market Side Butcher, the organic grass-fed ground beef. I've gotten this several times before and it's really good. So I got that for the taco pizzas. I also got some sliced Swiss cheese. I usually always get the Great Value brand. It's $1.23 for all different kinds. They have like 20 different kinds of sliced cheese. I used to buy the Sargento, which is more than double the price. So ever since I've switched, it's just a lot more cost effective. I also grabbed my husband some Great Value cubed Colby and Monterey Jack cheese. I thought this would be great to put in his Yum box or just in a little baggie with some crackers and maybe some pepperoni. And this was $1.74. I got some Breyers natural vanilla snack cups. I like to get these every once in a while for myself, my husband and Grady, because I like how small they are for portion control, but it still kills that ice cream craving. I had a coupon for these Danimal smoothies. You guys know I like to buy the Stonyfield, but I like to buy them in bulk, and I haven't been able to get to BJ's, so I got these. I had a 75-cent off coupon. My friend Heather had sent me a picture of these. They are the Great Value snack bags, but these are the square size, which I didn't even know about. Normally I get the rectangle size like this. So these are the smaller square size, so I thought I would give these a shot. And especially perfect timing with winter break coming up. We're going to be on the go a lot, my son and I. And I like to bring a lot of snacks and stuff when we're out. I got 2 bags of these Great Value Southern Style O'Brien hash browns. These are the ones with onions and peppers. They also make a variety that is less expensive with just the potatoes and no onions and peppers. One is going in the freezer and one I am keeping to thaw out to use for breakfast bowls next week. I'm going to do some food prep and make some breakfast bowls up for my husband in the morning or even for myself. I got a few bananas. I'm also trying the Great Value brand caramel cream K-Cups. I have tried Great Value brand K-Cups before. It was probably a couple years ago. And they were actually good, so I thought I'd give them a try again. This is a 12-pack of K-Cups for $3.78. I got another thing of the Rice-A-Roni Spanish rice because every time I use one, I like to purchase one as a backup because this is one that I've used and liked for years. I did get another box of the Great Value yogurt tubes. I tried them out for the first time last week, and I actually had one of the melonberry ones. They were good. My son liked them as well. I like to throw them in the freezer in the morning when I'm getting everybody, you know, lunch and stuff and snacks ready, and then I throw this in my son's bag for snack for school. He really likes them, and they are $1.60, so much cheaper than a name brand. My husband asked me to get Cheetos. He usually likes the crunchy Cheetos. So I saw these Great Value dupes, and they were $1.50. So hopefully they're just as good as the Cheeto brand because I've been trying a lot of the Great Value snacks out. So this was much cheaper than the Cheeto brand one. I got some Chi-Chi's flour tortillas for the Mexican pizzas I'm going to make this week. I thought I had them and I didn't, so I had to grab those. I grabbed a loaf of Wonder Bread because, for one, my son likes, this is one of the only breads he will eat. He does like the artisano, and then the, what is the name of it? I'm blanking on the name. It's like the white bread by, is it Nature's Own, I believe, but my Walmart does not carry Nature's Own, that specific bread, and I did not see the artisano. And actually, I like this for peanut butter and jelly and peanut butter and fluff. So I grabbed that so Grady can have peanut butter sandwiches. That's what he likes. And I also like peanut butter and fluff and peanut butter and jelly on this bread. I didn't really need this because if you guys saw my grocery haul last week, I got one, but I had a coupon. I get a lot of coupons either online. My mom saves them from like the Sunday paper. And my mother-in-law also gives me coupons from like the Sunday paper. So there was a coupon on these. And since they're expensive, I like to save whenever I can. And the coupon was expiring, I think, in March. So I just grabbed one. I got a Valentine's Day card for my hubby. I got some Pringles Originals. Normally I buy these at BJ's, but again, I haven't been able to get to BJ's lately. So I got these. I really like how they're, again, small for portion control. So I grabbed those for Grady. I got a 5-pound bag of the Mandarin Cuties. We love these. This was still $1.50. I don't need it, but when it's $1.50, I grab it. I think you guys saw I got a couple of these last week. So I'm just going to put them in the basement refrigerator and stock up on them because for $1.50, you just can't beat them. I also got some Clear American Strawberry Sparkling Water for myself. It's $2.46 for the 12-pack. And then also I got some Twist Up, which is like Walmart's version of Sierra Mist. For my husband, it's like $2.26 for a 12-pack as well. So I don't know if I mentioned everything here was $70. I also got some ice melt, like to melt the ice in our driveway because we have a large driveway. So I got a big bag of ice melt, which I'll show you a clip of really quick here in case you don't know what it is. So yeah, guys, this is everything from Walmart. The ice melt, I believe, was like $10 or so, but it's a really large bag. It's really heavy. So yeah, this is everything I got. There may or may not be another grocery haul after this. If not, you'll know I couldn't get to the grocery store because of the weather, so that I will show you my meal plan after this if there's not another grocery haul. Hey guys, it's a couple days later, so I wanted to include this because I have been looking for this flavor for months. It is the Cherry Limeade. A few of you guys have told me that this is your favorite flavor. My normal Walmart never has it. And I checked even another Walmart a little bit further away. They didn't have it, but I tried another Walmart today because I was already in the area. So I thought, why not? And it was like a smaller Walmart. So they actually had it, so I got two. Very excited to try this flavor because I really love the combo of cherry and lime together. So I got two of these. I also grabbed this because I like to chop this up and put it in like tossed salads. It just gives it like a nice flavor, so I grabbed that. My son needed more pretzels. He loves to take pretzels as a snack to school, so I grabbed this. I also got these little waters because my son likes to take these to school. We've tried like reusable cups, but they never seem to come home and always end up like thrown out or lost. So I don't send him to school with reusable cups anymore because he never comes home with them. So I grab these for him, and he takes one for like snack time sometimes. And then I also got these Parents' Choice fresh scent wipes, and these are in the these are like individual wipes. They're not in packages, and it's just like a larger bag. It's cheaper like per unit price. It gets like $1.70 per unit price, and it was about $4 for 240 of them, and I love the Parents' Choice wipes. So yeah, just want to include these few things in this haul, and I'm going to show you guys now my meal plan for the upcoming week. Alright guys, so meal plan for the upcoming week of Sunday the 17th through Saturday the 23rd. So I did go through my cabinets and my freezer. I like to do that. I want to do that more regularly. And I found some things just to get inspiration for dinners. So I went through my freezer and I found, well, I knew I had these. I just mentally forgot about them for a moment. They are the McCormick Baja Marinade wings. And I bought a huge batch of wings, I don't know, last month, and separated them. So I have 11 already marinated wings in that Baja marinade that I froze. Oops, so these are frozen. I pulled them out to show you guys. that I label everything. So I will go ahead the night before I know I want to make these and thaw them out, and then I can just bake them. And then I'll do some kind of rice, whether that's yellow rice, or I like the Near East rice pilaf, or some kind of rice, and then I'll do some kind of veggie with that. So that's one dinner that I can use up something in the freezer. Another meal I want to do, possibly quiche. I have a question mark because I was thinking of doing quiche for my food prep for the week. I like to do quiche, I don't know, maybe once a month for my food prep. So that's kind of up in the air. If I don't do quiche for my food prep, that would be a good option for dinner with a salad, because I like having quiche and a salad. So that dinner is a little bit up in the air. I also have some of the C-Pack baked breaded clams that I get at BJ's. I have half of that package left. We had that for dinner, I believe, last month. So I want to do the other half. I just bake them and we dip them in tartar sauce, and I'll do some potato wedges, the Walmart ones, and either veggies or a salad. Also, when I was digging in like my pantry cabinet, I found this Stouffer's seasoning wrap, roasted garlic and lemon. I've showed you guys these a while back. And these kind of got pushed into the back of my cabinet, but I found them. Completely forgot that I had them. So I want to go ahead and use them. They are pretty good. Most of you guys know I'm not the hugest fan of white meat chicken. In fact, chicken is my least favorite meat. So I definitely don't eat it a whole lot. I do prefer like dark meat if I'm going to eat chicken. But anyways, I do have some chicken breasts in my deep freeze that I want to use up. So I'm going to go ahead and thaw those out and make these. Again, I've used these before and I've showed you guys. I don't even know what video it would be in, one of my What's for Dinner videos from months ago. But these are pretty good. So I'm going to go ahead and use these. I have 4 chicken breasts, and this little packet has 4 seasoning wraps in it. So I'm going to go ahead and make that one night, and then with the leftover chicken breast, I can cut up and make chicken salad or put it on like a tossed salad, and then I'll do veggies and either rice or potatoes, like some kind of, you know, mashed potatoes or something like that. Also in my pantry cabinet, I found this complete blueberry pancake mix. It's already open and it's not expired, and I have about half a box left, maybe a little bit more. So I thought I would use those up one night. So I'm going to make blueberry pancakes. I have some hash brown patties that I've been stocking up on when they go on sale in my freezer. And then I'll do either bacon or sausages, whatever I feel like I'm in the mood for that night. And then another night I'm going to do either a pasta bake or baked spaghetti, which are pretty much essentially the same concept. I do have several pasta bake videos that I've done over the years in my cooking playlist. And then I do have a separate video for my baked spaghetti. So I'll link below my baked spaghetti recipe as well as my entire cooking playlist. I have a ton of pasta bakes in there. And I'll do some garlic bread and then a salad possibly, depending on, sometimes in pasta bakes I put a lot of veggies, so a salad I just put a question mark. And of course I always have my freebie night, which lets me be either creative and make something, you know, completely off the map, leftovers, just kind of throw whatever I can together. So I like to keep my meal plans really easy, as you guys know. So yeah, this is the meal plan for the upcoming week, and I will see you guys on Monday with a new video. Bye guys.